Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to delete Boloup Livestream app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Boloup Livestream app. Click on the Me icon found at the bottom of your screen. Scroll down, click on Settings icon. So right here on my settings, I just have to click on Account and Security. You're going to see option of Delete Account. You now click on it. So it says to delete your account permanently, please your user ID below and click delete. So you can just type in your user ID, which is already beneath the box provided, and click on the delete option. It's going to delete your account permanently from your device. So guys, I hope this was able to guide you on how to delete your account from Boloup Livestream app. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.